you guys to this video. Today I'm going to be doing unboxing a BB gun. I'm not being joined by Crazy Monkey. He's not here. See, who are you? He's not here. So let's get started. I think this is the pistol. Yeah, it is. I put full ammo in it already. See, we're going to be going test shooting. I'm going to be making another video about test shooting of this. It's the plastic ones. Plastic BB. Sorry. Look. Then it shoots. See, the bullet fell because I reloaded it twice. I'm not going to shoot it. I'm going to put that. Let's keep it here. See, I put all the bullets. See, £4. See. Okay, so now I'm just going to be talking about the lid. We're going to be doing test shooting. See, it's not black, it's red. I mean, yeah, red. Wait, you guys, I'll be back. Okay, it's not here. Okay, cool. So let's take this out again. I just spilled it a little bit. Don't mind me, just put these all back. Wait guys, he's here. It's still another video. It's done. He's got a problem always.
It's the iPad.
Nadole.
New iPad.
Nadole. So yeah, I'm back. Here it is. Take it out again. Bullets went everywhere. The green ones are not mine. Crazy Monkey gave them me to use. The orange ones are mine. You get like 14, 12 on the orange ones. These orange bullets. See, and the green ones I got by Crazy Monkey. Let me just get these all over here. So I'm going to be doing test shots, shooting range, with maybe Crazy Monkey. Never know. By myself. Never know. That's what I mean. So yeah, I want you guys to smash that like button first. Subscribe. Put notifications on. Let's try to hit 10 likes in this video. So yeah, but I'm going to pull the gun out and just shoot. Not shoot. See, I'm going to pull the gun out and show you guys. Look at it. This is it. You get it in this tub, but look, you see this button, press it, magazine comes out. With all the bullets, you put it in, you reload it. I've reloaded it once already. And then you shoot something. It can break glass, it can break stuff like that. It's dangerous, don't shoot anyone. So yeah, see the bullets, they do hurt. You can buy metal ones. I got the plastic ones, the plastic gun. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. The rage shooting. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.